Hello everyone. So let's solve question number 19 and question number 20 of exercise 5.2 from the chapter Arithmetic Progression. So let's start with question number 19. Subba Rao started work in 1995 at an annual salary of rupees 5,000 and received an increment of rupees 200 each year. In which year did his income reach rupees 7,000? So we have to find out the year in which his salary becomes rupees 7,000 and let it be the nth year. So we can write let in the nth year his income reached rupees 7,000. Okay, now let's find out his salary for the successive years starting from the first year. So we can write Subba Rao's salary for the first year. From first year, from the year he started to work, and this was his first salary and it is rupees 5,000. Now he received an increment of rupees 200, so his salary for the second year will be 200 rupees more than the salary of the first year. So he will get rupees 5,000 plus rupees 200. That means rupees 5,200 for the second year. Now we can find out his salary for the third year by applying an increment of rupees 200 to the salary of second year. Now this becomes rupees 5,400. We can see Subba Rao's salaries for first n years as 5,000, 5,200, 5,400 up to 7,000. What we have assumed that is the salary or the income of his nth year. Now we can see this is an arithmetic progression with the first term A as 5,000 and the common difference D as 200, which is the annual increment. So we can have write the nth term of it as an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now here we can see this 7,000 is the income for the nth year. So this is the nth term an and this is 7,000. So we can substitute it here. Now we will have 7,000 is equals to 5,000 plus n minus 1 into 200, and this gives us 2000 is equals to n minus 1 into 200, implies that n minus 1 is equals to 2000 divided by 200. Okay, and this implies that n minus 1 is 10, and finally n is equals to 11. So in the 11th year, Subba Rao's income reached rupees 7,000. So we can write our answer. Therefore, in the 11th year, Subba Rao's income reached rupees 7,000. So this was the solution of question number 19. Now let's come to question number 20. Ramkali saved rupees 5 in the first week of a year and then increased her weekly savings by rupees 1.75. If in the nth week her weekly savings become rupees 20.75, find n. So we have to find out the value of n, in which week her savings become 20 rupees 75 paise. Now let's begin by calculating her savings for the successive weeks. So we will start from the first week. We can write Ramkali's savings in the first week. And this is equals to rupees 5, by which she started to save. Now her savings in the second week is equals to rupees 5, and it is increased by her by rupees 1.75, and now she is going to save in the second week 6 rupees 75 paise. Similarly, we can find out her savings in the third week. And again this time she has increased it by 1 rupees 75 paise, and now in the third week she is going to save 8 rupees 50 paise. In similar manner, we can find out her savings for the other successive weeks, and also it is given her savings in the nth week is equals to 20 rupees 75 paise. In this way we can see her savings for the n weeks are 5 rupees 6.75 paise, 8 rupees 50 paise, and so on up to 20 rupees 75 paise. And we can see these are in arithmetic progression with first term a is equals to 5, and the common difference D is equals to 1.75, by which Ramkali is increasing her weekly savings. Now we have to find out the value of N. For this we will use the formula for the nth term of an AP. Now we have the nth term of an AP as an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now here we can see the nth week's saving is rupees 20.75. So we will substitute it here. So an is 20.75 and this is equal to a is 5 plus n we have to find out. So this will remain same, n minus 1, and d is 1.75. Now we will open the brackets. So this implies that the next term is 5 plus 1.75 n minus 1.75. In the next term, we will subtract 1.75 from 5. So we will have 20.75 is equals to 3.25 plus 1.75 n. Now we'll transpose 3.25 to this side and we will get 20.75 minus 3.25 equals to 1.75 n. Now this implies that it is now 17.50 equals to 1.75 n. Now from here we can find out the value of n. So this is now 17.50 divided by 1.75, and this implies that n is equals to 10. So we can see this is the nth week when Ramkali's savings become 20 rupees 75 paise. So we will write, therefore in the 10th week Ramkali's savings become 20 rupees 75 paise. So this was the solution of question number 20. Thank you for watching.